a new location today because my room is a mess due to moving and then moving back in and moving again. So stuff is everywhere, which is why I'm in my parents' shop, which is empty at the moment due to not being open. So if it's a little bit loud, it's because I'm right next to a road and there's a window and I feel very awkward. But this is the only place I can film in the house, so here we go. As you can see from what I'm wearing, the video today is about Gymshark and if it's worth the amount of money that people pay for it, because it is considered to be one of the more expensive sportswear slash fitness wear brands. Someone just stared at me. Before today, I had 3 bits of Gymshark clothing. I had these, a sports bra, which I will show a bit later, and another pair of leggings that I will also show later. I got these due to my old theatre company, Sidmouth Musical Theatre, giving me £250 to go towards anything to do with my university studies. And I chose a portion of it to go towards getting some Gymshark clothing because they're really good quality from what I'd heard. And I wouldn't usually be able to afford them myself, or at least I wouldn't be able to condone buying them over cheaper stuff. I've had these 3 bits of clothing for about a year now because I got them around last August and now it's June, so nearly a year. And they're still basically brand new, except I will say that these ones have a hole in them around the thigh, but ever since the hole appeared, it's not gotten any bigger and it's not stretched or anything and it's not affected anything, even when going in the wash. So I think that's quite good quality for how they make them, that it hasn't even expanded at all. When I said about a hole before, I didn't want to show it on camera because it was in a bit of a intimate place, but it is literally just that. If you look closely, it looks like it's kind of been sewed around. It's fraying a little bit, but I don't want to make it worse. So if anyone has any ideas. That's one thing I'll say. I think the quality of them is very good, especially with how they're made, because usually with leggings, if I walk past something like a corner of a table and it goes past it, it will rip and I will lose that pair of leggings. This happens to these all the time, and because they're like, I want to say woven, but I don't know. I've never had an issue with these. So these ones that I'm wearing right now are the Gymshark Flex high-waisted leggings, charcoal marl / teal, and they're in a large. I'm usually in other shops around a 10, 12 or 14 depending on where I go. So I'm on a slightly larger size, but that's fine. I'm trying to show the whole thing, but I can't. It's got Gymshark just above the bum in blue, and it's got this funky design on the back just under there. And these were £40, but all of these items I could have got cheaper at first, like I did with my newest thing, because there's student discount, 10%, which is great, with uni days, not student beans, I think. Here's what they look like in full. Can't see a lot because it's not really well lit in here. As you can tell, I'm not very good at this. I wear both of them to dance at least twice a week when I'm at uni, obviously. I haven't done a lot during lockdown. Then we have my second pair of leggings that I've had for a year. They're quite plain because they are just black ones. But these are the Gymshark Vital Seamless Leggings, black marl and large again. I've never had any issues with these ones. As I said, they're seamless, so they're really comfy. They're really soft. I wear them all the time, to be fair. I love them. They've got the little Gymshark logo there. I think there's a, yep, there. These ones were also £40, and yeah, they're great. And again, here are them full length. Pretty basic, just black. That's what I wanted to go for. I just wanted something that I could wear with basically anything, because if I'm going to pay this amount of money, I want to be able to wear it all of the time. Then we have the sports bra. Can't really see it because of my hair. Sports bra, which is super comfy, and whenever I have the choice to wear it for my dance classes, I make sure that it's been washed so that I can wear it, because my dance class probably think I only own one sports bra. That's how much I wear it. It is called the Gymshark True Texture Bralette in dark ruby, and I'm a medium in the sports bras because I am a bit smaller up top. It kind of crisscrosses, so these are two separate bits of fabric here, like I can stick my thumb through, and they crisscross over, and then at the back there's a little thing that you can tie to go into a cross on the back. So it wouldn't be too good if you didn't want some really awkward tan lines, which I did have about 2 years ago because of a bikini that I got. This sports bra was £30 and it's very comfy, but the only thing I will say about it is because of the two separate bits, sometimes it does move and then you can just see your bra underneath. So I would advise, if you're going to wear it, wear a same coloured bra. Unless you don't have the problem of having to wear bras with sports bras, then you are good, but you might have a bit of a slip if you don't wear anything underneath. So I'm going to keep this sports bra on when I open my new one because it's a very similar colour to what I've ordered, I think. This one was in dark ruby. I've also colour coordinated my scrunchie, as you can tell. So I haven't even seen them myself yet because they literally arrived this morning. I'm excited for this. These are going to be the Gymshark Lustre leggings in berry red and in large again. Oh, yes. Oh, it's a bit stuck to mine. No! Woo. And they're here. They've got a bit of a pattern on them, as you can see. I'm quite excited for these. They feel really soft already. I'm going to go put them on. I'm not going to take the tag off, you know, just in case. They're on. They've got like the new feeling where they're still quite stiff. So it's like jeans. When you first put them on, they're still a bit tight, but then you wear them for a bit and they're fine. I really like the little design. There's a little Gymshark there. No, I really like these. I'm going to wear these today, actually. And here are them in full again. Well, not again. Here are them in full. Overall, I'm saying yes. Gymshark are definitely worth the amount of money. I know that I've only been getting myself sports bras and leggings, which are specifically different to maybe their t-shirts, because I think the t-shirts might not be that different to just normal t-shirts, but I don't know. And I will say that I did almost buy a 3-pack of scrunchies, which I convinced myself not to, so that's fine. They fit so well and they're really good to wear when working out and dancing. It's just, I always have the issue where I buy some clothes specifically to dance in, then I try and do a move and it won't let me. Which, I don't understand why you can't move in some sports clothes. I am very happy with these and I would recommend all of them. So I'm going to go about my day wearing these and a top, obviously. I'm not just going to go around in a sports bra. I hope you all have great days. I will see you next time, which will most likely be a moving vlog, I think. See ya!